gotta be honest, Brana. This is gonna be pretty damn easy.
USA!
Alright guys, we're here at Freedom Factory down here in Florida for the 2.4 hours of the Mullets. We got Travis Pastrana, we got Andy Bell. Andy has not got a haircut in 12 years.
Okay, so you see this hair, I mean, it's perfect for the Mullets, but he has not cut his hair since he made a bet and we made a deal with Jimmy Johnson. He said, look, in order to make it, you gotta have people that are behind you. So as a fan and a supporter, until I won a NASCAR race.
April 2012 that was, by the way.
And you can't cut your hair until this guy wins a NASCAR race.
He hasn't been able to cut his hair, and this is what he has right now. And yeah, so the goal today is to cut Andy's hair, and Andy's like, you know what, it can't be that hard. So he's coming out here, and if he wins, he gets to cut his hair. If I win, he gets to cut his hair. And if we don't win, I'm never racing another circle track paved race again for the rest of my life.
So we're here. Andy says we got a cheater car. Travis has brought me in to win the race for him. He's best finished a second. We're gonna go out here, put on one heck of a show, win the race. Tonight's the night that Travis finally wins an oval race and Andy Bell gets to cut his hair. We're gonna have some fun, and I hope you guys have some fun.
You are. Who's gonna win? All right, Noah. One person said us. I like it. Thank you.
Hey, we gotta go to the driver's meeting in 2 minutes.
I already know how to drive, so I'm gonna stay here. But if you want to go down there, you know, learn some rules.
Yeah, go.
Dude, I've literally never been to a driver's meeting other than NASCAR when it was mandatory without a fine. It's the mechanics meeting or the co-driver's meeting. And in this case, you're my co-driver. Get it done, boy.
I'm the ringer.
You just messing with them. I'm going to the driver's meeting.
Pastrana, Noah.
I can't run, and I've proven over and over again I can't win, so Noah's going to do both of those tonight.
All right.
Yeah.
Everyone listen closely. This is how the start of the race is going down. All co-drivers will be on the back of the track. We have to run down the back straight, into the inner turn 3 and 4, around that, and then the trunks will be open on the Crown Vics. When you slam the trunk on your car, only then can your driver go. If anybody cuts a corner on foot, it's 1 lap down.
I'm just gonna run from the start straight to the car.
Actually, hold on. Someone's gonna cheat. It's 5 laps down if you cut.
I'll cut 4 more corners.
We all do it. Everybody understand that this is the kidney bean layout. We are not running the full oval, okay? So every lap you gotta come. You guys got like this.
There you go. There you go. Try it again by yourself.
Just look at this. There has not been a vehicle, literally, that I've been more excited about seeing than this vehicle.
I mean, there's not really much to explain. So 400 horsepower, 1,200 pounds, it's 70% rear weight, and obviously there's 2 motors, so it means a lot of traction, a lot of rear weight, so wheelies. And the newest trick is it does spinner wheelies.
Well, it does spin a wheelies with you in the car.
Yeah, it'll do them with you as well.
Same as all other cars.
So 1 down, 1, well, like a bike, 1
like
forward.
a bike, yeah.
But yeah, so neutral's not in front of first, neutral's behind first.
Yeah, perfect.
It's a British car, so the gas pedal's on the left, the clutch pedal's on the right.
Use the left pedal as much as you can.
Hypothetically.
Yeah. Where's this going, Travis?
You know where it's going, but I'm just going to ask.
Straight to pound.
Yeah.
Can I drive it just a little bit out there?
And to ask Cleetus, I guess.
Yeah,
I'm fine with it.
Okay, perfect. And I got permission from my boss to run this outer logo, right?
Yeah.
JT, can we get a verbal release that he's okay to run this car?
Yes, of course. We here at Black Rifle Coffee believe in superior products. So much so that I don't care if he gets in a competitor's vehicle.
And also, at Black Rifle, what I was told, I ask every company that sponsors me, I say, what do you want out of me? Why are you sponsoring me? They said, we want you, even though you're not a veteran, it's to live the American dream. Have as much fun as physically possible and prove every single day to all the troops and all those people that are on their first line of defense, for all the first responders, that what they do matters. Them risking their life is giving people like me an opportunity to live our best life. And that's what everybody here at the Freedom 500 is doing. 2.4 hours with Mullets is doing.
And we're gonna get a British car with 2 Japanese motors.
Because I'm living my best life, okay? Man, you just don't realize how big monster trucks are. You'll kind of forget on TV because they're doing all this stuff with them, and then look how little this guy can see at. How you doing, buddy?
Good, you?
Awesome. Have some fun.
Thank you, you too.
Freedom flyer right there, baby.
Remember when you had a monster truck at the house?
Yeah, that didn't last long. And Jimmy Johnson's helmet, remember when I erased his signature so he could then never put the visor down?
Yeah. Look at this race suit, dude. Look at this race suit.
Look at that Nitro Circus suit.
That's what I'm saying.
Just fresh off the press. Looks great. This is the king, Jeremy McGrath. Jeremy gets a hip replacement on Monday. I get a hip replacement on the 13th. We both had a knee replacement. We're getting old. It's official.
What side?
I'm getting right side.
All right, I'll hit you on left side so you can get both at the same time Monday.
Here's the deal. You get 3 laps. They probably invert the order, doesn't really matter, but we want to qualify first because that's just how we do it. Good luck, sir. Noah hasn't looked inside the track. He's like watched some video, but he didn't realize that this race had a dog leg down the back straight.
Looks like we're getting ready to do a little bit of qualifying. You know, it gets just a little bit bumpy if you hit it at the right.
You don't even know which side the dog legs are. It's great. Good last lap, man. Carry a little bit more speed onto this corner up there. Oh, man, you're off the ground. That is sick. Yeah, looking good.
Their final lap at 199. No Travis Pastrana is going to start this car. There you see the checkered flag for this group.
Solid top 5.
412 with Jim York and Andy Bell.
All right, we got Andy Bell out here. He's on the 412. What's he doing? There's already sparks coming off of Bell's car. He's hadn't even the green flag yet on qualifying lap 1. 23-1. Andy might have just taken the fastest time. There was a couple of 23-1s. He had 23-1-4. So Noah Gragson tied for 4th and Andy Bell in 5th on time lapse. Bell was about 0.00 hundredths of a second slower than Gragson. All right, so how'd qualifying go?
Awesome.
What'd you get?
4th.
And 5th. And
6th.
yeah! And reverse order.
Hey, but reverse order, so you're in front.
So I'm going to start right behind Andy and Jeremy. That's good.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I don't know if I want to drive it anymore.
Super
He's doing wheelies.
13.
I'm getting my helmet on. I don't care. I'm going to go out there.
Weight ratio.
I'm stealing his car.
100. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is Travis Pastrana. He's going to give it a whirl here.
That's all I want to do. Thank you.
I think he's going to whatsoever. Travis has raced NASCAR.
Crazy, right?
You did a wheelie donut. It was so
sick. Crazy? No idea what I'm doing. I think you broke the car. Go, Travis! When it came up and you were like, is that not the craziest thing?
I was just wheeling in circles.
Yeah.
I'm like, I have no idea what's
That's
going
how
on.
you just go, when you just go, oh, sh**.
Oh, I'll give you a hug, sir.
Thank you. Hey, you did great. That was awesome.
I'm probably getting fired from everything, but I'm definitely violent. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you
very much.
Thank you for Black Rifle for all the sponsorship, and thank you for Liam for letting me drive this.
I think my emergency brake is on all the time.
Don't hit it.
I know, it's okay.
We are going Van Prix racing. I got the 93 Aerostar, very hyped on it.
So sick.
I'm pulling Kenny Bartram.
Yeah, that totally makes sense.
Hey, it's Van Prix, right?
Good. Kenny has no power going off the jump, and Smalls is going to hit it wide open.
Green flag is in the air for the Van Prix. For the lead, Speedy.
Hit him, Jim! Hit him! Hit him!
We got the first jump coming right now.
It's making its jump on lap number 1.
Take him out, Smalls! Take him out! Take him out!
He's got a good lead.
He's got to hit it.
He's in late.
Oh my gosh! It did not flip. Here
The jump on the final lap.
Smalls for the win. Smalls got the memo. He hit everybody on the track. Jim hit everyone on the track. They hit the jump every lap.
Now we're talking. Travis Pastrana said I did great. Yes. Yes. My day's done here. See ya.
All right, Van Prix over. That was freaking amazing.
Dude, who knew an Aerostar would jump so bad? But now we know.
There was one that was worse. Whatever the worst looking van was, it almost went over. It was sick.
Well, that was Sipes.
Sipes, no! Good job, Sipes. Way not to die.
Good. That's less pressure on the pelvis.
Yeah, it was fine.
Well, that's what we're gonna
say. JT's about to head out there right now. That's our pace car. He's warming up the pace car. I'm gonna hit the pace car for sure if I can get up there. But we're about to start this race, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, make sure I fit.
Hey, solid. They don't got a hair dryer. I got Jim's sweat in here.
Fifth place, reverse order. We're starting last. Well, you're starting just in front of me. Hey, weird.
Just like old times.
All right, let's go. Gonna be fun.
Did you order Papa John's?
No, I'm already sweating my off. And we gotta go run, dude. That's what I'm most nervous about.
Your white shoes?
I got the age advantage. I got the used to me. A lot of old guys in the field, so I don't see them being very fast at all.
But you got the Biff out there, Jamie McGrath, like.
Old.
How do you run? Not good. But you're a competitor.
I'll get to your car first.
Okay, that was all I was asking.
Americans, fragile old guys that skateboard and stuff, like, we got them cooked.
Start of this race is going to be absolutely amazing.
Drivers are in their cars. Co-drivers are limbering up as we speak. We need you all to help us count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Everybody staying off the grass.
Trav's in fifth. Hey, Trav's in fifth. I'm winning so far. I told you. We got a $100 bet. Trav's. He says Trav's getting third. I'm getting fifth.
So we got Trav leading right now with Andy Bell in second place, stacked up for a restart.
Travis Pastrana, the leader. Andy Bell in second.
Here we go!
Hey, Smalls, what's he in now? Hey, guess what? Oh, wait, what's he in now? Hey, guess what? If he goes past this, he still don't win.
199 stalled out back at the kidney beam.
It just turns itself off.
Grab that white car on the other side of the blue one.
Alright, so in the pace car right now, Trav was in the lead. They had it, and all of a sudden his car just started messing up.
Well, he's changing cars. He's not going to have GoPros or radio now, so I don't even know how to tell him what's going on.
It's all on him. It's on you, Trav, so go figure it out, buddy.
I knew it. I called it.
Well, we just made up some positions because we got to spin out in the chicane.
Trav and Noah's original car blew up. They gave them a second car. That car just blew up.
They got his original car running. His backup car just died. He's getting out. Pace car pulled off. They got one to go. If he you might get back on the lead lap.
Andy Bell and Greg Biffle in 60. And that is going to be the end of the first 45-minute segment.
They say you're never out until you're out, and we've been out twice, but we're still going somehow. So I guess until the fat lady sings, then we're really out.
How many cars are you gonna go through?
Dude, the second one we got was so much faster than this, and then it died too. Bell and I were first and second. I was like, this is gonna be great.
Bell was killing it.
Yeah, you did great.
Sorry, buddy, sorry. I guess I still don't get my hair cut.
How you feeling?
Well, we're behind right now, but hopefully we can get up there and get our laps back. I don't even know how many laps down, but we'll see how it goes.
Start is green, flag is in the air, reach up there and pull those belts tight one more time. Let's go racing, boys.
Noah Gragson running 5th, Jim York at 4th.
Dude, he is making some time. All he's got to do is unlock himself 6 times.
3 wide over there in the entrance. It's done at the driver's seat.
The GoPro's filming us. Noah got the whole tire. I was just hoping that with the Cup driver, we wouldn't end up the same way we always end up.
I was going to say, we got the
must be something about the number.
Memorial coming up here in a couple of weeks.
I can't even mile win in NASCAR.
We need to come back on the oval. This feels a cluster.
Look, they're not moving the tires. Bucky! Oh, that's his teammate. Whoa! He got a hold of that one. I haven't seen you make a punch like that. That was impressive. So, all of this, jokes aside, Andy Bell was at one time front row with me, leading this race. He put Jim York in 4th. Jim York is currently in 3rd. Jim York could win this race.
McGee's going to do the cross over Tyson. Right on the back of that 412 with Jim York.
Sideways. Jim York is in 2nd place.
We do at least still have a team member that's out on the track.
If you guys win the thing, I'm gonna hate this racetrack. Yo, 5-car shootout.
Jim's in.
You're 1 lap away from the end of the 2024 2.4-hour Mullets.
Keith McGee is a winner.
Alan York got 5th, but there was only 5 cars to finish, so it's kind of last still.
Hey, what'd you get?
Oh.
Dirt bikes.
USA!
Go Canada!
I love it here. Woo! How you doing, buddy?
That was good.
Well, boys, that's a wrap. We again did not win the prize. It was a Stark this year, which would have been pretty cool. But got to drive a really cool truck that Liam had that does wheelies and was leading when my car stopped running. Sad times. Noah made up a whole lap, which was pretty impressive without getting a lucky dog. But then got a flat tire, took out a tire, and destroyed the car. So, it's a wrap.
Yeah, I shouldn't wanna try.